Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is a couple of clips where I went out a couple weeks ago and got some queenfish on fly, which was super sick, and got some insane topwater hits and everything, just using small flies. So I just put all this together for you guys, and hopefully you'll enjoy this one. There were some bluefins down there with them. Off he goes. Oh, that was sick. Still or anything, so it just sits on your floor and you can't really control where in the floor it sits. Got it. He's not bad. Oh. Oh, there they are. Scared me. Got their attention. Should be able to chuck a fly in there. And they should be onto it. Yep, like that. Perfect. Oh, he's going skids. Perfect. Make sure I don't get any of that line in the trolling motor. Two, and it seems like disappeared or something. Okay, we got away from that crappy weather. Found some more greenies here. Just gonna see if they will eat a fly. Yeah, they're on it. They're trying to eat it. Missed it. Okay. There's not normally like a crap ton of queens along here. Oh, got him. Okay.
sit in that car out. Go. Hooked him real well. Oh, hooked him very well. See you, mate. Yep. Oh. Okay. Gone absolutely nuts here. This one just small. Ground. Just make sure I don't stand on the fly line. Oh. There you go. That's how you do it. It's pretty easy. You just gotta learn. Oh. You just gotta learn to cast the fly, and you're basically set. This guy actually swallowed it, so you're probably gonna die. I'm using this little lure, throwing it in, just burning it. You see if they're still here. See, just followed it in. It just tries to like get them aggravated a bit more again. I was basically switch baiting them before. There's one there. Yeah, I was basically switch baiting them. Like throw this in, have them all like go nuts on it, and then stop, put it down. And then they're on it like that. Oh, oh. See? So it's like switch baiting them basically. Okay, another one. I think I've lost count of how many queens I've caught. I think I've lost count of how many queens I've caught now. Oh, back down you go. Okay, so then we get the fly and we throw it back in there. Come on, eat it, hit it. It's good fun. Oh, sorry buddy. Stop digging your head down. There we go. Let me just grab my rag. Pop that hook out. Ready to go again. As I say, it's a good bit of fun. Queenies on fly. They're actually just busting, so they should hit this. On it. Okay, there was one there. Throw it in there and oh, my rod just fell off. Again, put it on enough, obviously. Okay, without standing on the line. Oh. Oh, oh, yes. Well, it's not really thin, but it's just a bad quality hook. Yeah, it just bends out real easy. Get your head up. There we go. They're not bad queen fish. Oh, okay. Oh, that was sick.